My wife was craving a Korean fried chicken sandwich, so let's make her a Korean fried chicken sandwich. Oh, beautiful. Now to make the glaze.
I know you gon' lose it. This new Snoop, come on baby boo, you got to get into it. Going forward to play with the cool wit.
It's so good.